Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is talk a little bit about the Tangem Wallet. So as you guys know, I am a big fan of the Tangem Wallet and the Tangem Ring. So we're going to share with you a new lineup that they have. And if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe. And I want to share with you how I can help you out with this. So today we are Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. And guys, I just recorded two videos, one being a $1,000 crypto portfolio video. So nothing in there should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to The Loose Moose, but that video will be up as well as the ADA Strategic Reserve video. But guys, head over to the link tree. So if you go to the channel, click on this link tree, and it will take you to the Crypto Moose link tree. So in there, you will see this Tangem Wallet. So basically, go to the link tree, click on Tangem Wallet, and here you can save 10% off any Tangem Wallet or ring. Okay, so this is going to include, if you go under 3-card set, there is a Spring Bloom as well as a Sun Drop collection. So I think these look awesome. So basically, if you pick up a Tangem Wallet, you get the 2-card set or the standard version. This is a cold wallet. Basically, it allows you to set up a wallet and hold your crypto offline, and it works with your cell phone. So if an online exchange ever goes down, you still have access to your crypto and you can get loose offline, which is nice. So guys, if you want, comment down below what do you think about the colors. There's also the card holder. So I have not picked one of these up because I'm also in Canada. So I'd have to get these shipped all the way out here, pay the taxes, blah, blah, blah. Cost me a gajillion dollars. But yeah, I think this looks cool. I like the way they brand that up there. But yeah, they have different ones too. So they have the Bitcoin one, limited edition. They have this one, so more of the US one. So hopefully Tangem isn't going to add 25% tariffs to these. That would just destroy the moose again in Canada. But yeah, guys, I think these colors look good. It's probably going to make for a nice thumbnail. Comment down below. And I would like to know if you guys have been using your Tangem Wallet on a scale of 1 to 10. How has it been? What is your experience like? Do you want to see more colors? What would you like to see? And maybe Tangem will watch this and maybe they'll, they can add some input as well. So my only input is that I feel like I tap the card a lot. But then again, you do need the security. But it would be nice to just tap once, put in the password good, or put in the password tap and you're good, instead of tapping twice. But other than that, guys, that's all I got for you. So we'll see you in the next one. Comment down below what do you want to see in the future. Cheers.